I saw a woman on here in real time stop her hiccups with one of these. So I had to buy one immediately because my daughter always gets hiccups. Of course, she hasn't gotten them since I bought it, but it was so wild to watch her. It totally worked. You just fill up a cup of water with a shallow amount of water and you take a couple big gulps with this hiccup straw. It has an insert for children and adults and it totally stopped her hiccups in their tracks. I'm keeping this on hand. I cannot wait till we actually use it. And I want to know, have you tried it and has it worked for you? And if you're hiccup prone like my daughter, I linked it for you below.